So, what is a tribe, especially in today's world? Is it just a group of people? Sort of. Your family is a tribe. Your friends are another. So is your job, your country, your music, your team, your hobbies. Tribes define who we are, and more they're becoming a core part of our identities. We used to form tribes simply to survive. But now we form them to connect with people. Marketing demigod and author of Tribes, Seth Godin, says you only need two things to be a tribe: a shared interest and a way to communicate. Side note, did you know there are 65 different breeds of chicken? Now you do. Where were we? Oh yeah, tribes. Now, marketing people have always tried to break people into groups. But unlike traditional target markets, which groups people by demographics like age and occupation, tribes groups people only by the things they like. To brands, tribes are the superfans, the diehards, the addicts. Think of trendy tribes like CrossFit, vegans, mommy bloggers, and marathoners. But the most enduring tribes aren't built on zeitgeist. They're built on shared values. Harley-Davidson built their tribe on the feeling of freedom on the open road and turned it into an entire lifestyle. While Disney's tribe spans generations and is built on magical experiences. And Target's focus on good design for everyday products created a rabid tribe of design-loving fashionistas. When it comes to the way tribe members communicate, the internet changed everything. Suddenly, video game lovers, movie buffs, and fan fiction writers had a way to connect, discuss, debate, and generally nerd out without ever meeting one another. Which explains why Reddit has over 1 million subreddits, each a tiny, voracious, vocal tribe of its own. Now, that's only a small taste of how tribes work in our modern world. So what tribes do you belong to?